Hello, my name is Gabriel. We're here with JetSurf USA, and in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to charge your board. We already have our charger here. Now what you want to do is you want to open up your hood latches. We're going to set this aside. Now you want to have your charger connected. In this case, we've already connected our charger. We're using a US plug in this case. Now, the home part of the charger is going to show a couple of different icons here. You have charging settings like Life, LiPo, LiLo, Smart Charge, NIMH, different settings that are going to be located here. For the boards, you only need to worry about LiPo charging. In this case, for this board, we're going to be doing LiPo charge mode. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and use our two-pin connector here, and we want to go ahead and connect it on the board. Now, on this 2019 Adventure DFI and all 2018 and 2019 models, the charging connector will be located on the left back side of the board. It will be located with a connection that will have a red zip tie around it. Now, if we look under here, there's going to be a bracket where this mounts back onto it. And if you see, it has a clip on the outer part of it that you need to gently pull back to be able to remove that connector. Now what you want to do is you want to connect your charger connector to the connector from the board. By doing so, you put it in there where the little clip has a spot at the end. And once you hear that click, that means that you have securely connected the charger. Once you're over at your charger, you're going to be in this location. You want to make sure that you're at LiPo charge. If you don't know if you're at this location or not, you always want to go to home. You want to make sure that you see all the icons, and LiPo is going to be your middle icon. You're going to click LiPo. You're going to go over to LiPo charge, and it's going to bring you back into this setting right here. You're going to see 4 screens. 3S is going to be equivalent to the 3 cells inside your battery. End voltage should always be at 4200. Your current charge, we have a recommended charge of 3 amps to 6 amps, depending how much time you have to be able to sit there and charge your board. Now we'll put this one at 3 amps, and you click start. You're gonna get a window. Now the voltage, you're gonna see a couple of different screens here. The main two that you want to always be looking at is gonna be your voltage and your capacity. The voltage is gonna be how much battery is on the board inside the ICU, and your capacity if your board is still intaking milliamps into the battery. So what this does is once you're charging the board, it's balancing all the cells, so it has the correct amount of charge to be able to power all the different units on the board that are required to use power from the ICU. Now what you want to do is you want to connect the board. You want to leave it there charging until the charger says end. It will click and it will make a beeping noise. What this will mean is that your charger has fully ended and there's no more charging required. We always suggest that you're charging the board after every usage, at least enough for 30 to 45 minutes of charge if you don't have enough time to leave it to where it ends. If you guys have any questions, feel free to call us, JetSurf USA.